Have you ever watched an MMD video and wondered why their use of the Kira Kira effect looks like this? And yours like this? It's as if there's a secret club that only a few people know how to do it. Don't worry. In this video, I'll reveal the secrets of the Kira Kira effect that only a few people know. By the end of this video, you'll be able to combine Kira Kira with Ray MMD to create those lovely sparkling effects and use them in your own videos. Before we start setting up the Kira Kira effect, you need to set up Ray MMD first. If you don't know how to set up Ray MMD, don't worry. I have an easy step-by-step Ray MMD tutorial, so watch that first before this video. The link is provided in the description below. Additionally, you need to download the Kira Kira effect.
Another one.
As a bonus, I have included other versions of the Kira Kira effect, giving you a variety of options to choose from for your MMD videos. The download link is also available in the description below. Now let's begin setting up Kira Kira with Ray MMD.
Basic setup.
First, let's open our file with Ray MMD already set up. Then go to Accessory Manipulation and click on Load. Navigate to your Kira Kira folder and select kirakira.x. You'll see particles floating all over the place. Next, let's load the Kira Kira controller so we can control its behavior. Go to Model Manipulation, click on Load, navigate to your Kira Kira folder, and select controller_0.pmd. As you can see, it's hard to make changes using this controller since the names are blank. Therefore, we will use an English translated controller from other Kira Kira effects. Delete this controller by clicking on Delete in the Model Manipulation section. Now let's load a different controller. Click on Load again in Model Manipulation, but this time go to the Kira Kira Colors version 2.2 folder and select controller_0.pmd. Now we can clearly see the labels for each slider, making it easier to make changes. Go to the Face Manipulation section and set the X, Y, and Z range to 0.2. Make sure to click on Register for each change. Set the number of particles to 0.4 and click on Register. Set the speed regulation to 0.95 and click on Register. Set the particle size to 0.2 and click on Register. Finally, set the flash speed to 1 and click on Register. Go to Camera to see how it looks. We have now finished the basic setup of the Kira Kira effect. Next, let's go to the Ray controller and make some changes. Once you load kirakira.x, you'll see these small squares lining up on the floor. To fix this, lower the effect a little by changing the value of its y-axis to -1. Click Register. Another problem you will encounter is when you load the Kira Kira controller, an object on the floor will be displayed. To fix this, go to the Model Manipulation and uncheck the display for the controller, then click Register. Now let's continue with the Ray controller.
Ray controller.
Before we make some changes in the Ray controller, go to Accessory Manipulation and assign Ray.x to the head bone of the model. First, select the model. In this scene, the name of the model when we loaded is null_00. Next, select the head bone of the model to focus the effect within that area. If you're using a different model, your model and its bones will have different names. Click on Register. Now go to Model Manipulation and select the Ray controller. Proceed to Facial Manipulation and set Measure Mode to 1, then click on Register. Set f-stop minus to 0.75 and click on Register. Set Focal Length plus to 1 and click on Register. Set Focal Region plus to 1 and click on Register. Not seeing any changes? Don't worry because the last step will activate the effect.
Ray config.
Before we proceed, be sure to save your work. Now close MMD. Go to your Ray MMD folder and open ray.config in your notepad. Press Ctrl plus F, type BOKEH in the pop-up that appears, then press the Find Next button. It will highlight bokeh_quality with a value of 0. Change its value to 1, then save the changes by going to File and clicking on Save. Close the file. Next, open your saved MMD file again. As you can see, when you bring the camera closer, the Kira Kira particles transform into hexagonal shapes, and the surrounding part of the model becomes blurred, shifting the focus of the scene to the model. When the camera is far away, it reverts back to its original round shape. If you want to change the color of the Kira Kira particles, simply delete kirakira.x. Click Load, navigate to your Kira Kira Colors folder, and select any color that you like. If you've made it this far, congratulations! You have now leveled up your skills in using the Kira Kira effect. Would you like to further level up your MMD skills? Are you interested in learning how to set up Ray MMD for night scenes? Please leave a like and let me know in the comments section. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Until next time, bye!